everyone, I hope everyone is well, and I'm taking you with me to the cinema today, and we're going to watch Morbius, a new Marvel comic. We ended up going to view. Many more upcoming films that I actually want to see. It was very nice and quiet in the cinemas, so that was good. It wasn't overpacked.
Thanks for meeting me, Doc.
Good morning. Quickly make some breakfast. Just avocado, egg, and bacon rashes. Shower, and then I'm ready to go out again for another walk. The sun has gone, a bit windy now. Lots of activity. So guys, a few new things I've bought from River Isaknd. They're actually in the sale, so I'm quite pleased with myself. I got them in very good knockdown prices, and these shoes literally got them for £12, and these I believe were £20, but they're down from £46. Very comfortable, small heel. So I'm looking forward to wearing these when I jog. Also bought this long maxi midi, or say maxi dress, also was I believe 60, but I got this for 25 I believe. It's a crossover, lovely ruffles on the bottom and on the strap. Actually really comfortable. Can't wait to wear this when I go to Singapore. Very comfortable. The sleeves are very nice, got a bit of elastic, and you can see like the around the neck some ruffles as well. Very comfortable, can't fault this, is a good bargain. So my next dress is a midi dress, I would say, size 12, also in the sale. I believe I also got this around, I think it was £25. Can't remember now, but I'll have to check that. Also ruffles, and it's a crossover with a stitch button and tie strings. I actually love this. I really can't wait to wear this in Singapore. I've just paired it with my Converses, but obviously you can pair it with anything you like. So this one I picked up actually from the store. I picked this up for £25. No, 20 actually, sorry, my bad. £20 from 46, size 10. This is long sleeve, but it's got that linen fabric effect. So it's very nice to wear in humidity places, especially like in Singapore. We don't have any season. Very comfortable. I could have actually gone a size up, but I don't know why I picked 10 because I thought it'd be big enough. Right, I'm on to the next dress. This is a maxi dress. It's very nice, lovely tie strings, but I like the bottom half of this dress more, and I find that the top half was exposing me too much. I love the back. It was just at the front, they weren't holding me well. I think they should have had some padding at the front, but they didn't, so it's quite see-through, I would say, as well. So I've just got to be careful on this one, but I do love the bottom, and I'm actually thinking, should I just turn it into a skirt, a long skirt? You can always get a wear out of this. I went to TK Maxx. Chuck trainer socks. I live in these. I'm always wearing these. So whenever I go there and they have them in stock, I always pick up a load. It keeps me going for years. Another dress at TK Maxx was this denim dress. The one thing I love about this dress was that fabric was so soft. It wasn't very denim-y effect. It was so soft, and it ties around the waist. Again, I wore this with my Converse. I've worn this a few times now, and I actually love it. The fabric is just so nice and soft, and it looks very flattering on any shape and size. I love this dress. I don't normally buy things like clothes from TK Maxx, but I actually thought this dress was really nice. I'm glad I picked it up.